Hey guys, this is from my YouTube channel and today we're going to talk about the Redmi Note 9 Pro official announcement. So there are going to be three phones which are going to be launched officially on November 26th in China, and the poster which we are provided shows that the Redmi Note 9 Pro uses a circular camera layout, but the internal lenses are arranged in a square-shaped pattern with a unique design. The flash does not have the same frame and fingerprint recognition is on the side. In the view of the side fingerprint recognition, it is possible to analyze that the LCD screen used in this phone, it is expected to support a high refresh rate of 120Hz, which is claimed by Antutu, and adopts a center hole design. Yes, there are going to be three phones launched. One is going to be Note 9 4G version, Note 9 and Note 9 Pro. And among them, Note 9 version has a rectangular camera layout and is going to be equipped with Snapdragon 662 processor. Note 9 which has a circular camera layout with Dimensity 882, and Note 9 Pro which has a poster shape is going to be equipped with the Snapdragon 750. In terms of the cameras, the Note 9 is equipped with a 48 megapixel main camera at the rear, and the higher positioned Note 9 Pro is upgraded to a 100 megapixel main camera. In other aspects, the 4G version is going to be having a battery capacity of 6000 mAh battery, and the Note 9 is going to be having a 5000 mAh battery, and the Note 9 Pro is going to be having 4820 mAh battery. And so, according to the leaks also, we also have a Geekbench which says that is going to be having a score of more than 600 on single score and 1968 on multi-score. So stay tuned for watching. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you.